Hello from Dollywood. In this video, we're gonna bring you to Splash Country on a rainy day. And then we're gonna come over to Dollywood. We're gonna go try some different foods because we still have a festival pass for the Flower and Food Festival. The can almost took you out there, Micah, I saw that. And we're gonna try out some things that we have not tried. At the end of the video, we'll tell you what our favorite Flower and Food Festival items were. So we're gonna try some more at the end of the video, but first, let's bring you into Splash Country and check out what it's supposed to be a very rainy day. So we'll see, what is the park like on a rainy day? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let the adventure begin. All right, it is looking a little cloudy, but maybe the rain kind of holds off a little bit. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. So it is very lightly raining, but there is pretty much nobody in the parking lot right now. Hello. Yeah, we're heading on in. A little bit overcast, but I don't think there'll be much for lines. We might be able to just walk on things. I love this sign. Let's head on in and get the adventure started. Check out the line to get food. Oh, what did you just say, Brie?
No, guys, it looks a little crowded.
No, before that.
What did I say?
What are we listening to?
The 80s music.
And?
No crowds. 80s music. Can it get any better?
Oh yeah, this crowd level is fantastic. We came in and got some lunch. We pretty much have this whole area over here all to ourselves. Rainy days are awesome. Very quiet, very peaceful day to be here. Though you will not see me on that slide. Not gonna happen. Just want to give you a look from up here on Fire Tower Falls. Love the crowd levels. Lots of rain in the forecast, but it's not raining right now. It is a fantastic day to be here at Dollywood's Splash Country. Got plenty of room to swim around. Hi, Hannah. All right, I'm gonna go down there and join her. Micah has not done this family ride, so he said he'd do it with us. So here we go. Micah's gonna do it for the first time. Are you excited? Are you nervous? Or are you scared? All the above. Should be able to walk right on.
What'd you think, Micah? What'd you think?
It was good. I liked it.
A little overcast, but it is a fantastic day here at Splash Country. We ended up having an amazing day at Dollywood. Even though it was forecasted to rain all day long, there was never any issues with lightning preventing us from getting on rides or closing down the park in any way, shape, or form. So the next day, it was also forecasted to rain all day long. We ended up going forward with our plans to go to dinner at Dollywood as we had Flower and Food Festival passes that we had not yet used up. So join us on this rainy forecasted day at Dollywood as we go get some dinner together as a family and try some new foods and tell you what we think.
So I'm enjoying a Reuben spring roll with a Thousand Island sauce, and I think it's really good. The ingredients inside the spring roll are really good. The sauce is good, but just be forewarned, it is spicy. It has a good kick to it, but it's very flavorful. I do like it.
So we got this barbecue bacon jammin' fries. Again, last time we were here, we had them and they were very good. And this time we're trying the fish and chips. So Micah's trying it with some tartar sauce. Though the clouds look intimidating, it's actually a really nice day, as you could walk right up and get some food here, which is what we're doing. We're having some dinner together as a family. Walk up and get some popcorn, or Bree's heading over to this one to try something else. But it's a really nice day. Crowd level is not that bad. Not that bad for Memorial Day weekend. Rain is really your best day to come to Dollywood or Splash Country. What'd you get now?
Smoked mac and cheese. Looks like bacon on top.
Since we're using the pass as kind of our family dinner, we're kind of sharing around different stuff, but everybody liked this. This time it came with lemons. Remember, when life gives you lemonade, what do?
Make lemonade.
Wait, did I say lemonade?
Yes, you
Oh.
did.
All right, what did we just get, Brie?
A honey lavender funnel cake.
Ooh.
Honey,
Alright.
wait, there's something more. Honey, berry and lavender honey funnel cake. It sounds
Try it out.
different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how it
Let's see
is.
how it is.
I saw that. You just took a giant bite. I caught you on camera. Is it good?
No.
Oh man, where'd it go? Well, here comes the train.
One more time, 1, 2, 3. How about a yeehaw on 3? 1, 2, 3. One more time, 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw, yeah.
So it is 6:15, and you can see the crowd level here. So a little bit of overcast can be in your favor. Rainy days are a great day to come. So we'll be here on June 18th for opening day. What was your favorite, since we got to try more tonight? Your all-time favorite of it, everything we've tried.
Fish and chips. I really like the fish and chips.
That was good.
The smoked mac and cheese I thought was very good. Had a really good flavor, and it has chicken and bacon on it. So the surprise favorite for me was this berry and lavender mini funnel cake. It was really good.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I didn't expect it to be good because it just looked like too much. But those flavors all worked really well together, and it was just a delightfully refreshing, crispy dessert.
Yeah, I'd go with fish and chips was my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with us to Splash Country and Dollywood to try some more festival food. We'll definitely be back in June next month. The next summer festival is right around the corner. We're gonna be there on opening day. We're also gonna go to the drone show, a preview night of the drone show. So keep your eyes open. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the bell for notifications for when we go there. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.